Hello everyone, this is Vibhav Misra. I welcome you all to Exam Code. In this video, we will discuss the use of to and to correctly in English grammar. We will also discuss some important rules related with to and to in English grammar. Before proceeding further, I would request you to hit the subscribe button along with bell icon so that you won't miss any update. Let's proceed. Here we will see the use of to. I am taking rule number 1, which says it is used to show destination. Whenever we talk about destination in any sentence, you have to use preposition to. Okay, let's take an example. They are going to park. Here park is a destination, so we will use to as a preposition. Okay, let's take another example. Mohit will go to Australia next week. So Australia is a destination here, so we will use to before this destination. Let's see rule number 2, which says it is used for comparison or preference. When we are comparing two things or when we are giving preference to one of them, okay, so we will use to as a preposition there. Let's take an example. She likes milk to curd. Here there are two things. Okay, first one is milk and second one is curd. But she likes milk means she is giving preference to milk. Okay, so we will use to here. Let's take another example. Rohit prefers pizza to burger. Simultaneously, we can see there are two things here. First one is pizza and second one is burger. But Rohit is preferring pizza to burger means he has a preference. So we will use to as a preposition. Let's see rule number 3, which says it denotes fixed time slot. Okay, what is fixed time slot? Suppose you are telling someone that my office time is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so this is a fixed time slot for your office. Okay, let's take an example to understand it better. Example A, the school is open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is the time slot, so we will use to. Let's take another example to understand it better. The mall will be open from Monday to Sunday. Here Monday to Sunday is a fixed time slot. Okay, it's a day's time slot, you can also say, means it's a day slot starting from Monday to Sunday. The mall will be open. Let's proceed to rule number 4. It is used to point someone or something. When you are calling someone, when you are pointing towards someone or something, you will use to as a preposition. Okay, let's take an example. I am talking to him means you are pointing out to someone, okay, and saying that I am talking to him. So you will use to as a preposition. Let's take another example. They will deliver the goods to you. Okay, here again you can see that someone is pointing towards you. Okay, someone is talking about you, so you will use to here. I think it's clear for you. Let's proceed for rule number 5. It is used in the form of infinitive verb. And what is infinitive verb? It is the combination of to and verb and the first form of verb, 2 plus V1. It is infinitive verb. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose I say that I am going to play the cricket. Okay, to plus play. And what is play? This is the first form of verb, and before first form of verb, you get to. So this format will indicate that it is a form of infinitive verb. So you will use to in infinitive verb. Let's proceed further and learn how to use to. TOO, to. It is an adverb. Okay. So let's take rule number 1. It is used when the quality or quantity of something is excessively high. You are talking about something which is very excessive. Okay, very excessive amount is present there. So you will use to, TOO, to. Let's take an example. You are too smart. Okay, you are smart, but here adverb is used to. So it is saying that you are excessively smart. Let's take another example. It is too hot today. Okay, means we are talking about the extreme hotness of that particular day. Okay, let's proceed to rule number 2. It is used to give the meaning of also. Okay, let's take an example. She is smart too. Means you are counting her with someone else. Okay, there are certain number of people who are smart and you are counting her, okay, in that list. So you will use to, TOO, to. Again, Reena is going to school too. Means there are a number of students going to school. Okay, and you are counting Reena into them. Means you want to say that Reena is going to school too, along with those students. So this was the use of to, TOO, to. So that was the end of this video. I hope you have understood the basic difference between TO2 and TOO2. Okay, sometimes people get confused while speaking or writing, that what to write, TO2 or TOO2. Okay, so I hope your doubt has been cleared, and you can use to and to very correctly further. Okay, let's meet in next video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.